What's going on YouTube? Today I got my 1971 Dodge Demon out. I've had it on the channel a couple times, but I've decided to keep you guys updated with the progress on it and make this a little series, and so you guys can follow along. If you also want to follow along on the socials, I'll have them in the description down below. Right now, all we got done to it so far, I'll just do a quick little brief update. It's a big block 440. Nothing special done to it. It's just got a torquer intake, ABS car, some headers on it. But we're just trying to get this car running, get it moving and motivating first. So we just got the fuel pump right here for now. Got the gas can ratchet strap so we can just move it back and forth. Got the battery just sitting right there for now. We're going to be taking care of all that relatively soon. Hopefully in the next part or part 3 maybe. But I did get the brake line kit from Classic Industries, and I got you can see there's the one that runs to the passenger side over there, and the car has brakes now. Car stops, brand new calipers. So the car stops, it runs, it drives, it stops. So that's a big thing for us. I'd open the trunk right now. I'll wait till we get it inside so I can pull the whole trunk off and show you what we've got done to it so far. As far as today, I will go ahead and call this part 1. We're going to be focusing on the interior. I'm going to go ahead and I got some POR 15 to help get this floor cleaned up, looking nice and spiffy. I'll do the bottom back here and go back there. I'll paint the cage with it too. I got some foam or styrofoam, some padding for the roll cage. I'll put on there too. Go ahead and bolt the seat in. As far as like gauges and stuff right now, I got the tack in it. I don't have any other gauges right now. That'll be in a separate video where I do all the wiring stuff. I just want to do the basic stuff for now. So yeah, let me go ahead and move this car inside, and I'll go ahead and get right through. So this is what I did with the trunk. I got the trunk finished up, nice and painted. Got all the way up in there. Got all of that. And then all I got to do back here now is put the fuel cell in it, mock that up, line it up, drill it up, and then get ready to put the battery back here. So yeah, the trunk's looking good. And now we just got to move on to the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the seat out real quick and go ahead and vacuum it out. We got a bunch of dirt and stuff in here, so I'll go ahead and prep it up before we start painting it.
Eventually.
All right, we got it all vacuumed up, got all the debris out. It already looks a lot better, but now we are going to go ahead and start painting. So I don't know how well you guys can see it, but we got the back done, and now we're going to go ahead and move on, finish up the roll bar right here and that right there, and then go ahead and move on to the floor right here. All right, we're back here for day 2. Paint's dried back here, and it came out pretty good. Just a 1 coat on it. I'm not gonna do multiple coats, but it came out pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the front floor up here, and I'll show you guys the progress when I'm done. All right, so this is the finished product here. You can see I didn't go up too far just because of the clutch pedal over there, but I went behind the gas pedal, brake pedal, got to run the shifter over here, went up over here into the dash, got the whole floor, and I got the roll bars back there. I'm just gonna leave these the same for now, just because whenever I put the padding on, I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put the padding, and I don't want to paint and have to wait and let it dry. So, because I mean it's really fine, it just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So I'll go ahead and clean it up, and then I'll get ready to put the padding on the roll cage. Slide this on there. Get all down the edge. And voila. Perfect. She fits. Alright, so the little bit that I cut off of this back one, I went ahead and put up here on the front. And then I cut another 6 foot piece in half. So it fits pretty good right here. We'll do the other side. And then I would do the back 2 bars back there. And it should be looking pretty close to good. Alright. Got all the padding on there, and it looks pretty dang good, I'd say. Now I just got to get the zip ties on it and keep it in position. So let me run, go get some zip ties real quick. I'll come back and I will start putting them on. So yeah, we'll do that. All right, got all the zip ties on there. Now it's just time to clip them off and make them look pretty. All right, getting ready to bolt the seat in. Put it in there and got it lined up straight with the steering wheel. Made sure the front. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mark the bolts, or mark where I need to drill, so I can put the bolt through it and get it straight. I will get some more padding, and I'll put some padding up here on this bar and that one over there. Just for hitting the head or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish marking these on the other side of it and drill the holes out. Get back to you. All right. Got the holes drilled out. I vacuumed up the metal shavings and stuff, and then lined the seat up, put the bolts through, and you can see up underneath, tighten them up, all 4 of them. So, should be good to go. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, and we'll be doing a lot more to this thing, making a little series. But yeah, we got the roll cage padding on there, and got the seat bolted in. Got the floor painted. I will put a cover on that thing at some point. I'm sure I will. And I'll be doing more gauges and wiring and stuff in a later episode. But got a lot more stuff to do to this thing. Still want to, get the fuel cell in there, do it with this whole thing. Wrap the headers and brake lines at some point. Have all that fun, but we'll save that for another video another time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.